Randy Couture.
And I'm Sarah Kalman. We're with Homefront Real Estate. Welcome to our home video tour. Hi, I'm Sarah Kalman with Homefront Real Estate. Welcome to 1859 Nature Court, just outside of beautiful Winterset, Iowa. Inside you'll notice this beautiful custom iron stairway with custom railings, which is really a neat feature. This is a split floor plan with the 2 guest bedrooms on one side and the master bedroom suite on the opposite end of the house. You'll see the beautiful living room with a cozy fireplace open to the dining area and the gourmet kitchen. This all overlooks the beautiful backyard. Here we are down in the basement at the custom wet bar with granite countertops, sink, and tons of cupboard space. This is a great spot to grab a snack and a drink and watch your favorite football team.
Thank you for watching this home video tour.
If you would like to see this home in person, give one of our agents a call.